I interrupted him when he was talking. Imagine sleeping beside somebody every night and feeling completely alone. The house became so quiet that sometimes I would increase the TV volume just to hear human sound. After 1 year of marriage, I made a secret decision. I stopped trying to get pregnant. I never told him because deep inside me, I knew I could not bring a child into this kind of environment. How do you raise your children with a man who uses silence like punishment? What if our child accidentally breaks a plate and he refuses to speak to the child for weeks? No, I couldn't do it. So every month, I quietly protected myself. Meanwhile, my husband was pretending outside like everything was perfect. Then one evening, I noticed something strange. He suddenly became happy, very happy. A man that normally behaves like an angry principal was now smiling at his phone every night. He started hiding his screen. He began spending extra time in the bathroom. Ladies, we all know this sign. One night around 2 a.m., his phone kept vibrating. He was inside the bathroom. I looked at the screen and my heart dropped. The message said, "Baby, I miss you already." Before I could recover from that shock, another message entered. "Our twins will be beautiful." Twins? I opened the chat and that was when I discovered that my husband, the same man who refused to speak to me for weeks, was giving another woman attention, affection, and sweet words every single day. The same man that acted emotionally unavailable in our marriage was busy typing romantic long paragraphs to somebody else. I just sat there laughing. Honestly, I laughed because life can embarrass somebody. 3 months later, the woman became heavily pregnant with twins, and suddenly everybody started advising me to forgive him. His mother said, "Men make mistakes." His pastor said, "The devil is testing your marriage." One auntie even told me that at least he didn't abandon me completely. I was shocked. So I should celebrate because my husband cheated respectfully. Meanwhile, Karma was already preparing his own breakfast. 2 months after the twins were born, my husband lost his job completely. Everything scattered immediately. The same man that used silence to control me suddenly became desperate for communication. Every day he wanted to talk. "Please understand, we can fix this. I need your support." Support? After years of emotional torture, one night, he actually cried. Like, this man cried. And so I looked at him. I realized something painful. I was no longer emotionally connected to him. Years of malice had killed everything inside me. Do you know the craziest part? Sometimes I regret staying faithful. Not because I wanted revenge, but because while I was suffering quietly inside my marriage, there were actually good men around me who treated me with kindness and respect. But I stayed loyal to somebody who treated silence like a full-time job. So whenever people romanticize quiet men, I laugh because some people are not calm. They are emotionally cruel. And if your partner constantly punishes you with silence instead of communication, run before you become lonely inside your own marriage. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.